Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Mashallah, fine. Yes, I'm also fine here. Then, did you complete your assignment and activities? So fast. Okay, very good children. So, welcome to our new maths class. Today I came here with one interesting puzzle. This is a word searching puzzle. Word search puzzle. Okay, I will give a set of letters in a box. And also you have to find the number words like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 number words you have to find from the box. Are you confused? Okay, don't worry. This is your puzzle. Okay, these are the words you have to find from this box. And I will give you only 1 minute time. Are you ready? Okay, so your time starts now. Did you find all numbers? Mashallah, very good. Watch. Oh, some numbers are missing. Okay, no problem. Before winding today's session, I will give the answer of this puzzle. Are you happy? Okay. So, as usual, today I have some expectations from you. This is our virtual class. So, these expectations are our virtual class rules. Okay. First of all, everyone sit in a proper silent place. Okay. And take your book and pencil only. If you have not with these things, pause the video and grab these materials. Okay, and don't talk to your parents, don't talk to others while attending this classroom. Are you ready? Okay, then think critically and creatively. Then stay focused. Keep smile. Everyone smile please. Mashallah. So these are our classroom rules. Okay, now let's start our session. Okay, very good. Friends, in our last video, we did our competency module. Okay, so we had discussed our big idea, then concept, then some contents are there, then competencies. Okay, so we finished our big idea statement and these all things. Today onwards, we are going to discuss about a new big idea. Yes. So, today we are going to discuss our wonder lesson. Very good. Mashallah, you so smart. Wonder lesson. So, everyone, please welcome to our wonder lesson. Then, you know what's our big idea statement? Okay, I will say regular increase and decrease in patterns can be and used to make generalization. Everyone say with me. This is our big idea statement. Regular, increase. Everyone say with me. Okay. Regular, increase and decrease in patterns can be identified and used to make generalization. Generalization. Okay. This is our today's big idea statement. Today onwards we will discuss more about this big idea statement. Okay, related with concept and content and competencies, etc. So today we are going to learn more about this big idea statement. Okay, everyone look here. This is your big idea. Regular increase and decrease in patterns can be identified and used to make generalizations. Okay, did you understand this big idea statement? Okay, some keywords are there. Regular, increase, decrease, then patterns, identified, generalization. These are the main keywords in our big idea statement. Then, what does it mean? What do you understand from these keywords? Some keywords are familiar to you and some keywords, yes, still confused. Okay, today I will say more about these keywords. Okay, so everyone take your book and pencil, then write today's date and the heading Wonder Lesson. Then pause the video and write this big idea statement. But friends, I have one doubt. How to make generalization using these patterns? We know what is patterns. Previous year we learned more about patterns. Then, how to make generalization using these patterns? This is our today's essential question. Today's focus question. Everyone read this one. How to make generalization based on patterns. To find the answer of this essential question, we need one learning objective. So, learning objective for today's session is that explain each term of big idea statement in your own words. Did you understand? Okay. Now, I will give one activity. Everyone, read our big idea statement 2 times, at least 2 times. Then, note down the new key vocabularies from your big idea statement, from the given big idea statement. Are you ready? Okay, pause the video and do your work. Friends, how many key vocabularies you got? Yes. Regular, increase, decrease, patterns, identified, and generalization. Okay, these are the 6 new key vocabularies given in our big idea statement. Okay, did you understand these words? Okay, good. Now we are going to explain each keywords. Are you ready? MashaAllah. I will explain the keyword regular. What do you mean by regular? What does it mean? Did you ever heard the word? The fact of something existing and happening repeatedly in a fixed manner. This is called regular or regularities. I will give some pictures that will help you to understand more about the word regular. These are the pictures. Just listen.
Here we can see a shop. Here the couples are the regular customers in that shop. Here the lady is an example of doing exercise regularly. The benefits of regular exercise is it increases our energy to do the daily activities.
Hello, did you understand the word regular? Yes, mashallah. Okay, now we are going to explain another keywords. Increase and decrease. What do you mean by increase and decrease? So easy. What does it mean? Increase or decrease. Okay, I will give one example. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some numbers are here. And look here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are in, yes, increasing order. Very good. And here, these numbers are in decreasing order. Okay. This is increasing order and this is decreasing order. This is the best example to understand the word increasing and decreasing. But I will give some other explanations. Just have a look.
Now we are going to discuss with increasing and decreasing. Here the child playing with some cubes. This is the increasing order and in opposite that is the decreasing order. Friends, did you see the check post? Check post? Yes, there is an increasing and decreasing function. Okay, and in our school we have a park. Did you see the seesaw there? Yes, exactly. In that seesaw we can see an increasing, decreasing function. Did you understand that? Can you imagine that? Okay, good. Increase means to make greater as in quantity or to become larger or greater in size, amount, number, etc. That means to make something larger or greater in size, amount, number, etc. This is called increase. And decrease means to lower or go down. Did you understand?
Did you understand the words increase and decrease? Okay, mashallah. Okay, now friends, pause the video and write the heading increase and decrease. Then make a definition for each keyword in your own words. Also write in one example for each keyword. Did you understand? Okay, pause the video. Okay, I hope you are completed and now let's explain the word pattern. What do you mean by pattern? I will explain. Okay, what do you mean by patterns? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we can see a regular increasing order. So, this is a number pattern. Very good. This is a number pattern. Because we can identify a regularity here. An increasing order of numbers. So, this is a pattern. And look here. Here the numbers are decreased in a particular order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Decreased by 1. So, this is also a pattern. Okay. Look here. These are two lines. And this is two horizontal lines. And again two vertical lines. Then again two horizontal lines. Then what comes next? Yes, exactly. Two vertical lines are there. Then two horizontal lines. Okay. Here we can see a regular order in these pictures. So, this is a pattern. Did you understand? This is a pattern. I will give more example for patterns. This is so interesting. A pattern exists when a set of numbers, colors, sounds, etc. repeated over and over again. Did you understand? No. Okay, I will give more explanation. Just listen carefully.
Patterns can be found everywhere, including animals, birds, plants, music, even in our body. Yes, our eyes, teeth, fingers, fingerprints, brain, this all shows different patterns. When we cut onions, vegetables, we can see some patterns there. In maths concept, we can see the patterns in numbers, shapes, etc. These all are patterns.
Friends, did you understand the word patterns? Yes, we can see the patterns in our body, in our surroundings, in our nature, in our classroom, in our house. So, everything, we can see a pattern anywhere. Did you understand? Okay, now pause the video and write the heading pattern. And you have to write a definition for pattern in your own words. Then write in one example for pattern. Pause the video and do your work, then come back. Okay, I hope you are completed. Now we are going to explain the next word, identify. What do you mean by identify? Friends, what is this? Some numbers, natural numbers. Yes, we can identify that these are numbers, natural numbers. And look here, what is this? Yes, this is the number 9. Here we also identify the number 9. And here, how many lines are there? 1, 2. Yes, 2 horizontal lines are there. Here also we can identify the number of lines. Did you understand the word identify? I will give more explanations. Identification is defined as the act of determining who, someone or what something is. Friends, look at this picture. This is a part of a story, a picture story. Then, here we can see some trees and 3 characters. Which are the characters? Yes, tortoise and 2 cranes. Okay, so you can identify the characters here. Very good. This is the word identifications. I will give more explanation. Just have a look.
And look here, what is this? Yes, these are English alphabets. What is the position of the letter K? Yes, 11th position. Here also we can identify each letters and each positions.
Okay, now look at this picture. What is this? Yes, some crayons are here or some colors are here. Which are the colors? Can you identify these colors? Yes, exactly. This is the word identification. Okay, friends, come back. Did you understand the word identify? Okay, very good. Now, write the heading identify and write a definition for identify in your own words. Pause the video. Okay friends, I hope you are completed. Did you understand these keywords? Okay, and one more keyword is there. That is generalization. What is that? Generalization. Do you ever heard the word generalization? No. General? No. Okay, no problem. I will explain. Just have a look.
Generalization are where we tell about the pattern we see in the relationship of a certain group of numbers. It is a pattern that is always true. I will give one example. Consider the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Here we can see a regularity in the increasing order of these numbers. Each numbers are increased by 10. So we can generalize that this is a pattern and the next number is 10 more than the previous one. Then consider the number 8. Here we can generalize that this is an even number, this is 2 more than 6 and this is 2 less than 10. Also we can say this is 5 more than 3 or 1 less than 9, etc. These are the generalization about this number.
Now pause the video and write the heading generalization, then make a definition for this keyword. Pause the video. Okay, so these are the 6 new keywords given in our big idea statement. Hey, what's our big idea statement? Say with me. Regular increase and decrease in patterns can be identified and that is used to make generalization. Okay. Now I will give one interesting activity using these keywords. Okay, try to do. Increase, decrease, patterns used to make generalization. Increase and decrease patterns used to make generalization. Once again, increase and decrease patterns used to make generalization. Did you understand? Okay, very good. I hope today's session is very clear to you and this new big idea statement is very clear to you. Then I will give one activity. Make the big idea statement in your own words and explain each keywords given in our big idea statement. Pause the video and write the big idea statement in your own words. In your own words, then make the definition for each keyword. If you already done these works, then no problem. If you are not complete, take this time. Then complete, then come back. Okay friends, today our session started with one activity, that is number word search puzzle. Okay, this is the answer of this puzzle. Did you understand? Very good. Then we discussed our big idea statement, learning outcome and essential question. If you have any doubt, watch this video again and again. Okay. Now I will give one assignment. Go outside and find patterns, then write 2 sentences about that patterns. Did you understand our assignment? No. Friends, we see many patterns in our body, our surroundings, etc. So, you just go outside and find 2 patterns, then make 2 sentences about this pattern. Okay. And your second assignment is that find the patterns from outside and paste in your assignment paper. Did you understand the second assignment? Just paste 2 patterns in your assignment paper. Okay, then where we can find the patterns? You can find it from your outside or you can draw your own patterns using your creativity. Okay, then this is the time for wind up today's session. I hope this session is very clear to you. Then don't forget to complete all assignments and works. Then send to me through WhatsApp. See you in our next interactive session. Inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.